Hey guys, what's good?
Hey guys, for this video, I'm supposed to be making an ancient Egypt dish for my social studies project portfolio. So I'm making Ful Madammes, and you see here I'm making all the ingredients. So I added the oil and onions, and I asked my dad because it was so fun. Hey, you want to make a video? And then he said, yeah. And he was like, oh, I'm putting all these spices in. I got to add the fava beans. Got to add the spices. And then over here, I'm getting those lemons.
Oh, okay.
And I'm cutting the lemon for later use. And here, I'm taking the fava beans that just cooled down, and I'm putting them into this plate. And I thought this over when I looked at the video. I thought, whoa, I should have used a spoon. So then I used a spoon afterwards.
Put it in there.
And you see that potato masher? I call that a smasher, and I use that to smash the beans.
Smash it.
And here's when the lemons come in. I tried squeezing the lemon with my left hand, and it was just so hard that I gotta try to use my palm, but it was so hard, so I gotta use both of my hands, and I made juice. And then I mixed it around, and then I got to taste the first bite. I thought it was really great. And then what my father was thinking, he panned out and he looked at all the mess I made, and he's just making fun of me. He made me take a picture of all the mess I made from an up top view. But then everybody got to try it.
That's a video?
And everybody liked it except for my brother, because he doesn't like spice. And what I tried to say is, it tastes like sweet, spicy hummus. And so it was so good that everybody ate it all. And here's my dad making fun of me. He's making this video making fun of me. So you're in the video, Dad. You're in the video. He's making fun of me while I dropped the bean. That's not...